For appointment, please contact us on 07629104663 or 07854038848.
We have opened up our website and we want to have some sort of videos that will help us to keep empowering our clients. So today we just decided to give people what works, not to give you a lot of science, but there are three important information that if done and is done correctly will help us to cut down the problem that come with our teeth, because according to the WHO reports we have over 90% of people who are suffering from dental diseases, mostly due to ignorance because they have not been empowered. So as Gulu Dental Center, we have decided to empower our community to let them be aware of what causes the problem and how best they can do it. And these three things, when you practice them and practice them holistically or religiously, will help you get rid of the problem. One of the most important things that we need to do is regular checkup. And if something to be regular, that means there's a prescribed time period that thing is supposed to be done. So every after 6 months, you need to check your teeth. And somebody will ask, why should I take my teeth to the dentist? I don't feel pain, because we are wired to think that we need a dentist only when we have pain, but it is not. So we need to always check our teeth, and we need to know that the first stages of decay is totally painless, but it's the best stage of us filling your teeth and cleaning your teeth to prevent gum diseases that might now reach a stage which is chronic and might not get ill. And then the second thing that really we need to embrace it so much, we need to reduce on eating carcinogenic things or sweet things, in brackets, confectionery, things that are made from the factory. For example, the like of biscuit, sweets, and cakes and the likes, because the sugar in them is already in glucose form. So it takes only around 1 minute for this bacteria to convert that sugar into acid, and then it's the acid that later create a hole in your tooth and then ends up eating your teeth. And then the last thing that is very key that all of us should know is brushing. Now, brushing has two things: as the time and then how you brush. So in this short video, we want to show you what you are supposed to do. So we always have four surfaces. We have the inner surfaces, we have the outside surfaces, we have in between, and then the chewing. So you make sure that the brush touches all those four. You can start with the inside, you come to outside, and then you can come to the chewing surface. You start from behind and then you come outside. So make sure you don't push the food behind where you cannot clean it so much. And then in between, what cleans in between our teeth so well is the dental floss, of which we have two types. We have the string form that you just clean in between the teeth, and then we have the one that is also string, and then the one with the handle. So, and then another thing to reduce the population of bacteria in your mouth, you need to use a tongue cleanser to make sure you scrub the tongue and then wipe it out, so the mucus that causes bad breath, the population of the organism in your mouth will really be low. So after cleaning up, you change the orientation. What you have done up, you also do it down. So the same thing here, you clean from the gum up, here you press the brush and then just do vibratory motion, and then from behind in front. And then for outside, make sure you push the brush and the gum line at an angle of around 45 degrees, and then you make short circular motion, moving round as the floss comes to clean in between. So that is exactly what you're supposed to, how you're supposed to brush. There are other things when you come to check your teeth, we guide you on the mistakes you have been making and how best you can really correct those mistakes that you have been using to to avoid problems coming in our teeth. What some other people maybe have always asked question and they don't have the answer is, I brush but I get problem. Most people brush and they are brushing before meals, and yet brushing is supposed to be after meals, because the food debris is the enemy that we want to get rid of. So people keep crying, what causes decay, how should they prevent? The most important thing is to make sure you don't have food stuck in between your teeth by using a floss. You make sure you visit a dentist regularly, and we do regular cleaning of your teeth, of which at Gulu Dental Clinic here we are really having updated machines and pain-free. We have topical anesthesia, so you really don't need to get worried of pain, because really we have upgraded to a situation where nowadays we have pain-free procedures. So feel free to join us and be part of our clientele. Is one of the things that decision that you will not regret. And also feel free to always follow us for more information about things that you want us to do for you and things you want to know about your teeth. We are 3 dentists and a senior surgeon who works in collaboration to give Gulu the best dental services they can experience. So right now we also have some insurance cover. We have Liberty, which is already in place. We have other payment options like the Momo and Clinic Pesa, and still other insurances will come on board. So and feel free to follow us, and I really want to thank you for giving me this audience, and thank you so much.